Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to repair calculator app in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To repair calculator app on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, then click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps, and you will find here the first option, Install Apps. Click on Install Apps. Now find the calculator here. Click on the three dot icon on calculator and then click on Advanced option. Now scroll down. Here you will find Repair. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app data would not be affected, and you will find a repair button here. Click on the repair button. Now the calculator app in Windows 11 computer is repairing. Repair is successfully finished. Hope now calculator app is working properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.